Are you looking for ways to raise successful children? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 12 things that all parents must know in order to help their children succeed in life. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get into the video. How to raise successful children. 12 things parents must know. Number 1. Let your children be themselves. It's important to let your children be themselves and try not to force them into a mold that you think they should fit into. Let them discover their talents and interests and encourage them to pursue their passions. Dr. Shafali said, "This immediate placement of a way to be obscures the ability for children to develop their way." Number 2. Encourage them to try new things. Encourage your children to try new things and not be afraid of failure. It's essential for them to know that it's okay to make mistakes and that they can learn from their failures. Number 3. Teach them the importance of hard work. Teach your children the importance of hard work and dedication. Show them that they can achieve anything they set their minds to with a little hard work. Making work fun can demonstrate that anything is possible with a good attitude. Number 4. Help them find their passions. Help your children find their passions in life and encourage them to pursue them. It's important for them to have something they're passionate about so they can stay motivated and excited about life. Number 5. Same page parenting. Be sure you and your spouse are on the same page regarding parenting. You must be on the same page so there's no confusion and your children know what to expect from each of you. This helps children avoid bouncing back between parents if one parent is more lenient than the other. If you and your spouse are not on the same page, openly discuss different parenting styles and be open to what each person says. Read and learn about other parenting styles and adopt the parenting styles you would like to incorporate. Number 6. Help them learn to regulate their emotions. Help your children learn to regulate their emotions to better deal with stress and anxiety. It's important for them to know how to control their emotions and not let their emotions control them. A way to help your children learn to regulate their emotions is by teaching them to take a deep breath and count to 4 before an all-out tantrum comes. Stop it in its track by calmly validating your child's emotions and ask them to take a deep breath so that you can count to 4 together. Once that is done, ask your child to try asking for what they want again in a calm voice. Number 7. Give them a sense of independence. Give your children a sense of independence and let them do things on their own. It's important for them to feel like they're capable of doing things independently and that they are not always going to need you. This will help them develop a sense of self-confidence and self-esteem. You can do this by allowing them to make more of their own decisions as they age within your family's boundaries. Number 8. Notice when your children are being good. It's much easier for parents to react negatively to their child, and you may find yourself criticizing more than complimenting your child. Saying statements such as, "You put your plate in the sink without being asked, thank you," or "That was very nice of you to share your toy." You can go a long way with your child when you notice and verbally appreciate the good they do. Children want to do good, and when they are appreciated for doing good, it makes children want to do good more often. Number 9. Model positive behaviors for your children. Children are like mirrors and they learn best from watching their parents. This can put a lot of pressure on parents because when they fall short, the guilt of not being a good enough parent starts to sink in. However, children must also see their parents positively deal with these failure moments. As children see their parents handle challenging situations calmly, they can also start to model those behaviors with the challenges that may arise. Number 10. Set limits with your children and be consistent with them. This will help teach your children self-control and how to manage their impulses. When you're consistent with your limits, it helps your children feel safe and understand what's expected of them. Number 11. Make time for your kids. Make time for your children every day, even if it's just 15 to 20 minutes. This quality time is important because it helps you bond with your children and build a relationship with them. It also allows you to stay connected with what's going on in their lives. You don't need to do some big activity with your children. Find something that you both like doing together. This could be reading books, going on walks, watching YouTube videos together, or having your child show you something they are playing with. Number 12. Give praise often. Give your children praise often. They need to hear how proud you are of them and what they're doing. This will help boost their self-confidence and self-esteem. Try to catch your child being good as much as possible throughout the day, and let them know how proud you are of them. By following these tips, you're on your way to raising successful children. Remember that every child is different and will develop at their own pace. So, don't compare your children to others. Give them the support they need to grow into happy and successful adults. If you want to learn more in-depth tips on setting boundaries that stick, how to get your children to listen and obey, check out my book called Parenting Without Drama. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.